Today we're in Manchester at Healthcare Estates with our technical team to talk to people in the industry and customers about their requirements with regards to air pressure stabilisers and to help them with any projects they have. Because of the experience that we've got and have built up over the last 25 years, we understand the challenges that they see in the healthcare marketplace.
The main reason for having an air pressure stabilizer is to maintain the air pressure in a room so that the contaminants or the dirty air will not enter the sterile rooms. So if the air pressure stabilizer is damaged or if it's not well maintained, there are chances that the contamination or the dirty air enter the room. The main thing is you will not be able to achieve the required door flow protection across the door as recommended by IHEEM. So without maintaining the air pressure stabilizers regularly, you're running a risk of having the infection increase and downtime for the theatres.
If the customer wants a quote for the service or maintenance, the customer has to just send an email with the serial number of the stabilizer unit, or they can scan the QR code which is available on the stabilizer unit.
We're a UK manufacturer, and that gives us the benefit of being able to do everything in-house. We do everything from the metal fabrication through to the powder coating and then the full assembly of the products. That gives us complete control of the quality and the performance of our products and our air pressure stabilizers. We have a technical and engineering team who can work with our customers very closely to develop specific solutions that meet their requirements and their needs so that they get everything they want when they need it. So we've invested significantly over the last few years in capacity to ensure that we can meet the demands and requirements of large-scale projects within, say, the healthcare marketplace and data centres and various other industries where they need significant volumes in a relatively short space of time. We've had a really good day here at Healthcare Estates in Manchester. If you'd like to inquire about our air pressure stabilisers, please contact us at sales@apreco.com or go to our website www.apreco.com.